All right, guys, we're here with Brian. He's the owner of the Fit that we built in the past couple days, and I'm gonna let you get a taste of it real quick, and then we'll get his review of it. But we're gonna play some Mikasa Sukasa. That's right, we do full song demos around here. All right, Brian, what do you think?
Yeah, man, it's windy in here. First of all, Ted's a man. I'm telling you what, this I got another American-based Godfather build. It's in my truck, and this is a lot windier. I know it's a smaller vehicle and whatnot, but
it's also a lot smaller of a setup too.
Yeah, smaller.
You got
setup.
218s in your other truck.
Right, with a lot more power than this, right? But you know, we got the Ted got the electrical right. He's got it all tuned up, and I'm completely satisfied. That's the man right there. I'm real happy with this build, and I'm finally gonna get some street cred, I believe. Yeah. All
right, guys. So just a quick overview. We have the Pioneer 300 EX double din. We've got Skar Audio tweets. We've got Skar Audio Neo 6.5 in this door. The same in the passenger door, and two 6.5s in the back doors. Here in the back, we've got a big old box. It's got two VXF 12s, got a SK3500.1 down here, and then over here on this side, we've got a 100.4 pushing the doors. We've got the new Down4sound LTO 12-volt battery, and I mean, so far review on those batteries is they work. I mean, the voltage drops a little bit, but I mean compared to most, it doesn't drop. It might see low 13s, but that's about it as far as voltage drop. We're gonna work on getting some fans put underneath the back, and then we'll finish doing all the finishing work. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into some more flexing videos. Appreciate you guys watching. Holler at me in the next video.